Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. So we're back with another day of trading. The market literally just opened. Okay, I see we're falling down. Let's just do a quick zoom out. I haven't looked at anything yet. We're gonna look right now. So as you can see, we're bullish, high, low, go up again, high, low, and we broke that right here. We made another high. So now we got to find a low. So I'm just assuming that when we find this low, we're going to bounce off of it and we're going to make a high. So let's mark some supply zones. See, they were supply zones, but when they flip, now they're demand zones. So we're just going to see where we get a reaction to. Actually, let me log into my Thinkorswim. We'll see where price reacts, and then we'll try to catch a call. Hopefully it reacts in this zone, but I think momentum is actually too strong right now. Oh, we got a wick. I like that right there. I don't know why, but it feels like this big old wick really don't mean nothing, and price just gonna come right back down and maybe get some of this. But we are reacting to this area. I see that. I definitely see that. VIX is slowly trying to move up. Not really breaking anything, it's just going up. Apple, Amazon, ARK, Google, everybody's headed downwards. So yeah, everybody's bearish, but I'm just looking at this. I see the reaction to the zone. I definitely see it. If we go above this, we might take a call, but I'm not really too sure on that. Yes, I have this marked as that, but look, wick right there, wick right there, wick right there. That's liquidity. We're probably about to head down. When you see things like that, like how you have a candle going this way and you have a candle going up and they meet at the exact spot, that is a really good spot for reversals. That's a really good spot to look for reversals. So I would actually draw this real quick. I would look for a put. I'm gonna look at this 4515 put, and then we're gonna look for a reaction right here and see if we get something. If we do, if we like what we see, we'll take that put. VIX is sort of headed down. We broke through. Okay, since this area failed, delete it. That's cool. Now we'll look for another one. This is a wick that's standing out to me too. So we're gonna look for something in this area. Dang, we really should have caught this call right here though. That's what we said that's what I said in the beginning of the video. I know that call would be up by now. Got the line marked perfectly and everything. That's insane. Well, we found the right spot. We looked against the trend instead of following the trend. And if we would have followed the trend, we would have been up significantly right now. But see, this candle right here, that candle is what spooked me out. So I really think this is hilarious because I've made this mistake before. And we got the trade, but we looked the wrong way. Okay, so what happened was, let's go to the 3-minute, because we had the correct approach this morning. We should have played the direction of the trend. It's a bullish trend. We should have been playing bullish. We should have been looking for a call option. And the crazy thing is, that's what was given to us this morning. We went up, we came down, took a little breather. We continue with the trend, going back up, we came down for a little breather, We should have been looking for, okay, we're coming down. Where is this going to reverse at so I can hop in a call option? That's what we should have been looking for. And that's what I was looking for this morning, and I found the exact spot. This also could have been a spot. So you just have to, this also down here could have been a spot that it reversed at. But you just have to, gosh, man, that candle right there really spooked me out. And when we broke right here, when we had that gap, when we started to enter the gap and begin to close the gap, there we go. That's where I should have known that, boom, that was our reversal location. So in conclusion, Don't take trades that are against the trend until the trend breaks or until you get a change of character. It's safer not to do it. That's it. Don't go against the trend. Don't go against the grain. Go with the grain. So don't theorize. Theoretically, no. Play with what you see. You see we in the overall bullish pattern, play the overall bullish pattern. Cause see, if we would have got in right here, we would have been lit this morning. We would have been got out like somewhere right here, but we would have been lit. If you guys have any questions, leave it below. Drop comments, drop a like to the video, and see you next video.